Set 71,768 J's Golden Dragon motorbike. It comes with 137 pieces and has a price-to-piece ratio of 4.6 cents per piece. Let's unbox it. It has 2 packs, one small and one normal. Let's get building. First up is the Vengestone Warrior. It has a transparent purple and gray torso and legs, which looks cool. Next up, Golden Dragon J. It has trans yellow legs and hands and has a dark blue torso. He only has one face, but I think that is fine as the head is transparent too and would look weird with an alternate face. The only problem I have with this figure are the blue Technic pins sticking out of the back as they look out of place. Not a minifigure, this Vengestone Spider is still being the only set you can get it from. I feel that it is quite easy to army build. The bike does not have any features except for a stand at the side. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, as I am trying to reach 250 subscribers.